Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best 360-degree dash cams in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best 360-degree dash cams in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360DG all-sides dash cam is a cutting-edge car camera system designed to provide comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. With its innovative 4-channel recording capability, it captures footage from the front, rear, and both sides simultaneously, ensuring no blind spots. The 360° coverage is achieved through 4 high-quality lenses, each offering 1080p Full HD resolution, delivering crisp and clear video in all directions. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N5 is its built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect the dashcam to your smartphone via the Vantrue app. This enables real-time viewing, playback, and easy sharing of footage. The app also allows for quick adjustments to settings, ensuring a user-friendly experience. The dashcam is equipped with advanced night vision technology, ensuring reliable performance even in low-light conditions. Its supercapacitor ensures stable operation in extreme temperatures, making it suitable for all weather conditions. Additionally, the N5 features a G-sensor that automatically locks and saves footage during collisions, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents. With its compact design, easy installation, and comprehensive features, the Vantrue N5 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking maximum security and peace of mind on the road. Number 2. PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam is a cutting-edge car monitoring solution designed to provide complete coverage of your vehicle. With 4 channels, it captures footage from the front, rear, inside, and sides, ensuring no blind spots. Whether you're driving or parked, this dashcam offers 24/7 recording with its advanced parking mode, powered by motion detection and G-sensor technology. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, the PRUVEEO dashcam allows you to track your route in real time and easily access footage via the app. Its superior night vision ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for all driving environments. The package includes a free 128GB memory card, providing ample storage for high-resolution videos. Compact, user-friendly, and packed with features like loop recording and emergency lock, the PRUVEEO 360-degree dashcam is the ultimate tool for safety, security, and peace of mind on the road. Number 3. The Neideso 360-degree dashcam is a cutting-edge car camera system designed to provide comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. Featuring 4-channel recording, it captures footage in FHD 1080p resolution across 4 lenses, ensuring every angle, front, rear, and inside the car, is monitored. The front camera records in 2K resolution, delivering crystal clear details, while the 2 interior and rear cameras provide 1080p clarity. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily access and track your recordings via a smartphone app, while the GPS feature logs your location and speed for added security. Voice control allows for hands-free operation, making it convenient to manage settings on the go. The included 64GB microSD card ensures ample storage for your recordings. Whether for safety, security, or peace of mind, the Neideso 360-degree dashcam is an all-in-one solution for modern drivers. Number 4. The D90-4CH dashcam is a comprehensive vehicle monitoring system designed to provide complete coverage of your car's surroundings. With 4 channels, it captures high-quality video footage from the front, rear, and both sides of your vehicle, ensuring maximum security and peace of mind. The dashcam features advanced night vision, wide-angle lenses, and loop recording, making it ideal for both day and night driving. Its 4K resolution ensures crystal clear footage, while the built-in G-sensor automatically saves recordings in the event of a collision. The included Hardwire kit enhances the functionality of the D90-4CH by enabling parking monitor mode. This feature allows the dashcam to continue recording even when the vehicle is parked and turned off. The kit connects directly to your car's fuse box, providing a constant power supply without draining the battery. Motion detection and impact sensors ensure that any movement or collision around your vehicle is captured, providing valuable evidence in case of vandalism or accidents. Together, the D90-4CH dashcam and Hardwire kit offer a reliable all-in-one solution for 24/7 vehicle surveillance, making it an essential tool for modern drivers. Number 5. The COOAU D30S 4K dashcam is a versatile and advanced car camera designed for both personal and professional use. It features dual cameras offering 4K resolution for the front and 2.5K 1080p for the inside, ensuring crystal clear footage of your journeys. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, it provides real-time location tracking and easy video access via a smartphone app. The dashcam is equipped with infrared night vision and 4 IR LEDs, delivering exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for Uber or rideshare drivers. Its supercapacitor ensures reliable performance in extreme temperatures, while the G sensor automatically locks and saves footage during collisions. Additional features include loop recording, parking monitoring, and a wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage. Compact, user-friendly, and packed with advanced technology, the COOAU D30S is a reliable companion for safety and security on the road.